All right. So after reading the problem, we can conclude that this is a minimized decision problem. The minimized objective, and what we're looking for, or what the payoffs are the total interest costs. All right. So this is pretty straightforward. This just asks for the minimum of this and the maximum. So we're going to do that for all of them. Oops. All right. Okay, and okay, so then what we want to do is we want to do right here, let's see, this value because it's the maximum, and then we want to subtract it by the minimum of this column, like that. Okay. Oh, just kidding. We want to go down like that. No. And then we'll do the same thing here. So we'll do the maximum, which is this one, minus, so minus the minimum of this thing like that. Drag it over, and then the same thing where the max, well, it doesn't even matter because all of these are the same. So, well, it's not even the maximum, it's just the minimum of, oh, actually, well, yeah, and there we go. And that's how we do the first part. So for the aggressive strategy, what we want to do is going to be the minimum of the smallest. Smallest. The conservative strategy when you're looking for the minimum is the minimum of the largest, and then the opportunity loss is the minimum of the largest as well. And now with that being stated, we just have to find the values, and then this one would be in the 1 year because it's equal to this value, or I guess this value right here. Well, yeah. And then in the conservative strategy, it would be so uh, the minimum among the largest. So maybe you know what we should do? We should do this right here. Um, so we should do the max, or these just to make it easier. So the minimum, so the smallest among the largest would be this one, right? So this one would be in the 30-year fixed. And then for the opportunity loss, we're going to want to do the minimum among the largest. So we're going to want to do maximum. Oh, wait. Do maximum. And then we're going to find the smallest. No, okay, I guess that works. No. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're going to find the smallest, which is going to be equal to this one. And that would be in the 3-year. Perfect. All right, so now it gets pretty easy. So we're going to do the standard deviation of the sample. It's the same for the 1 year. So the 1 year. This one's asking for the standard deviation of 3-year. And this is asking for the standard deviation of 30-year. And then the greatest risk would be the greatest value, I believe. So it would be the 1 year. So the average payoffs, believe it would be these. This should just be 66 because it's the only value. And then so the average payoff if you're trying to save the most money would be the 1 year because it's the lowest one. So now for the last one, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to sum product. Oops, sum product. The 1 year and then that's the first array. This would be the second array. Uh, sum product. Two arrays. Sum, two arrays. Perfect. And then if you want to take the lowest, then you just take the 1 year because it's the lowest value of all of them. And that's how we do question 5.